This is a quick video on how to set up Google Tag Manager and invite a user. So what we're going to do is you need to go to tagmanager.google.com. One thing you can also do is if you're in Google Analytics, you can actually just from Analytics just open this All Accounts menu, and then Tag Manager is going to be this little blue diamond up here. So you can click Get Started from there. It's just going to lead you to this page. And from here, you can click Create Account. If you have no accounts, you can just click this right here. And then you just have to name it. So I'm going to name it Test. And then for here, like if you want to track things on apps and everything, if you're just starting out with this, going with web is what you want to do. I'm going to click that, click Create, read the terms of service and everything. I've read them in the past, so I'm going to agree to them. Now it's loading. Now in just a second, it's going to create an account. Now what you're going to do is from here, this is the code you can actually install into your site. You need to paste this into the head tag and this into the body tag. This is a quick video on how to make the account and invite the users and everything. So what we're going to do from here, we're going to open this up. So there's different things you can check out. It's this versions tab, which will tell you a few different things about it. We're going to go to admin real quick. Now you need to invite users to this, or if you need to invite users to this, you can add them in here. You can also find that code again that it showed you just a second ago from this page. Now if you want to invite a user to a container, you would click this. In this example, we're going to invite a user to the entire account so that way they can make multiple containers. We're going to go in here. We're going to add a person in. We're going to add users in at my email. Now what we're going to do is if you want to invite an administrator, you just have to click this button, but you need to give them container permissions. So we're going to click this. Now we want to give this particular person the approval to publish, approve, edit, and read, which means that they're actually going to be able to add in code from different places and use it. Because what Google Tag Manager is it's a place to run all the different scripts and code in your site. What that means is apps like Intercom, if you have a chatbot, a Facebook Pixel, all these different things, as opposed to having these 10 different plugins that float on your site. You can stick them in via Google Tag Manager. It's a little bit faster, and it works quite a bit better. So we're going to click Done for now. That's all set. You kind of click Set All for all this. Here we go, container permissions, and then we're going to invite that person. So here we go, we invite that person. We can check to see which containers they're on and everything, so that person can make them. Then what we're going to do at this point is click that. You notice the person has permissions, and then in their email account, they're just going to have a you have been invited to this Google Tag Manager account. You can make them an administrator as well. It's pretty much the only extra thing that this tab does on top of what we just did is it gives them the capability to add or take away users off the account. So just decide whether or not you want the person. Save it. You can X out of that right there. Then also same thing is you can do the same thing with user management there if you just want to invite them to the single container. But that is how you set up Google Tag Manager and invite users. Really awesome tool. And if you want to learn more about this, feel free to post in the comments, and you're welcome to check out the other videos on this channel.